227 species in genus Bidens. September 30th. Bidens, the beggar tick, represents September 30th. Bidens symbolizes resilience and connection. You form bonds easily and endure through challenges. Like its tenacious seeds, you spread positivity wherever you go. Bidens flowers, a gardener's guide by Ferb Vu. For those seeking vibrant, easy care flowers, look no further than Bidens. Often called beggar's ticks or tick seed sunflowers, these cheerful blooms boast daisy-like flowers in shades of yellow, orange, white, pink, and even red. Over the years, Bidens have become a favorite among gardeners for their resilience and continuous flowering throughout the summer. But with so many varieties and gardening myths surrounding them, here's a breakdown to answer all your burning questions about Bidens flowers. What are Bidens flowers? Bidens belong to the Asteraceae family, the same as daisies and sunflowers. There are roughly 227 species within the Bidens genus, found worldwide. Asteraceae family, Wikipedia. These flowering plants are known for their fern-like foliage and cheerful, daisy-like blooms that resemble miniature sunflowers. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Are Bidens flowers annuals or perennials? Most Bidens varieties are grown as annuals, thriving for a single season and reaching maturity within a few months. However, in warmer climates, zones 8 to 11, some Bidens varieties can act as short-lived perennials, returning year after year with proper care. Bidens, Wikipedia. Popular Bidens varieties. With over 200 species, Bidens offer a diverse range of flower shapes, sizes, and colors. Here are some popular choices for your garden. Bidens ferrulifolia golden nugget. This compact variety features bright yellow, star-shaped petals with an orange center, perfect for containers and hanging baskets. Bidens pilosa, commonly called blackjack or Spanish needles. This variety produces a profusion of yellow, daisy-like blooms throughout the summer. Bidens alba. This unique variety boasts pure white, daisy-like flowers that add a touch of elegance to any garden. Bidens million stars. True to its name, this variety explodes with countless small, golden yellow flowers that resemble a starry sky. Bidens versus Cosmos flowers. Both Bidens and Cosmos flowers are popular choices for summer gardens, offering long blooming seasons and vibrant colors. Here's a quick comparison. Flower shape. Bidens boast daisy-like flowers with single or double rows of petals. Cosmos flowers have single rows of broad, flat petals, creating a more open and airy look. Flower size. Bidens flowers come in a range of sizes, from small and delicate to larger and showier. Cosmos flowers tend to have larger blooms, adding a bolder statement to the garden. Foliage. Bidens have finer, fern-like foliage, while Cosmos flowers boast broader, feathery leaves. Growth habit. Bidens can be trailing, mounding, or upright depending on the variety. Cosmos flowers typically grow in a bushier, upright form. How to care for Bidens flowers. Bidens are a gardener's dream, requiring minimal care to thrive. Here's what you need to know. Light. Bidens prefer full sun but can tolerate some light afternoon shade. Soil. Plant Bidens in well-drained, fertile soil. Amending your soil with compost before planting is beneficial. Watering. Water your Bidens regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Fertilizing. Bidens are not heavy feeders. A light application of balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season is sufficient. Deadheading. Regularly deadheading spent flowers will encourage continuous blooming throughout the summer. Simply pinch off the faded blooms at the base of the stem. Are Bidens flowers invasive? While some Bidens varieties can self-seed readily, they are not typically considered invasive plants. However, it's always a good practice to deadhead spent flowers before they go to seed to control their spread, especially if you have limited space in your garden. Bidens flowers, a summertime delight. With their vibrant colors, easy care, and long blooming season, Bidens flowers are a valuable addition to any garden. Whether you choose trailing varieties for hanging baskets or mounding varieties for borders, Bidens will bring a burst of cheer and effortless beauty to your summer landscape.